Let's have a comparison between Obsidian versus Anytype. The note-taking war just got personal. Obsidian or Anytype. Let's break it down fast. Obsidian is still the local first Markdown-powered vault built for power users. It's lightning, fast, completely online, and insanely customizable with hundreds of community plugins. If you love raw text control and linking ideas your own way, and Obsidian gives you total ownership with zero cloud login. On the other hand, we have Anytype, the newer design-driven app that's catching up quickly. It's privacy first and local, but with a modern interface that feels like Notion mixed with a personal knowledge graph. Instead of folders and files, you create objects and link them through relations, syncing through a peer-to-peer network without a central server. So in short, Obsidian is all about power and plugins, while Anytype focuses on structure and design. The real winner depends on you. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.